In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix your connection is not private in Chrome, and this is happening for many users right now when they're trying to use it, and how we can fix it. So, these are the steps you need to do when you're having this issue. So the first and foremost step is all about you have to click on the settings over here. And from here, what you need to do is click on the three-dot menu and navigate to the settings. From here, you have to navigate to the privacy and security. From here, what you need to do is you can see there is an option called security. You have to click on this one. And right now, we need to make few things. The first one is all about you have to do it. It's all about you have to keep this on standard production. And also, once you have to scroll it down, if you scroll it down over here, you can see there is an option called Use Secure DNS. So this setting is disabled on Manage Browser. So it is disabled for me because having multiple browser right now, many accounts over here. So that is a reason that most cases, as you can see, this will be enabled over here. So if it is turned off, you have to turn it on and you have to check with that, and that might work as well. And once you're done with this one, what you need to do is after trying with this, it might work in most cases. And still, if you're having the trouble, you can just go back over here. And over here, as you can see, most of the cases, like I said, for most users who are having this particular trouble, they might be having this issue over here. So what you need to do is, while on the address bar, we need to make few changes. Over here in the address bar, you can see that we have an S over here. So you just need to remove the S, and instead of S, http://192.168.01, you have to remove the S and just go forward further, so the issue will be completely solved. We just need to remove the S, and that is what you have to do. And these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.